Hey, Daddy. So me and Ashton were doing a baking contest. So like this is like our dough thing, and then this is our cream to go on top of it. The winner is Ashton. Yeah. So we were doing this contest. So the very first thing we did was we tried to make a sun. So I did like arms that were actually made of whipped. I'll just call it whipped cream. Don't judge me. And then we did a mountain. So I just did like this big ball, but then I put like a swirl all tall. And Ashton put a lot of whipped cream on hers too. And so then now we're doing this challenge. Who can finish? Who can finish all their who can finish mixing it? Ashton, let's do a new round. Okay, ready?
Can I choose?
Sure. Yeah, it's your turn.
Let's toss a letter.
What?
We can make. Guys, give me some clues. Tell me something, Zoe.
Comment down below. I feel
You need to make the perfect. No, not that.
the perfect cupcake. Cake. Unicorn.
Yes.
Cake.
The cupcake.
Cupcake. Okay, I'm aiming for a square, but then I'm just gonna put whipped cream all around it.
I'm gonna put as the square. I'm gonna put whipped cream as the topping.
Yeah, the cream.
Yeah.
It's like me and her.
So we can both copy that because
we're basically both thinking the same thing. Okay.
I probably need a little bit.
Since this like sinks down, I'm trying to make it.
Hey, what's that?
Oh, it's just a. Since it was littler, it had like a bunch of beads, but now it doesn't have that much beads. So yeah, I'll just stuff that in it. It looks like it was so blue. Here, let me grab this. See the sides? Toodles. It was so blue, but now it looks like just whipped cream, you know?
Yeah, mine looks
shaving
like
cream.
So mine looks like whipped cream. Shaving cream.
Don't get this on your carpet. It could stain it.
Like I got it so on mine.
The fun part. Oh, this is so fun. Ta-da!
I'm gonna make a circle and
My
then
hair will soon be slime.
Oh no.
You know what? I'm just gonna, Guys, want some?
Guys, if this secondhand just rub it and then it'll smell good.
Actually, when we were making the pink slime, my pink big slime, when we were in the car, you know how Adela was with us, we were just pouring it all over and rubbing it on things, so it like smelled so good back there.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh no. Okay. I'll rub it on my hands.
It's called soap, y'all. Don't judge us, cause my name's Whip. What's your name?
My name is gonna be whipped cream.
My name will be Shaver.
My name will be shaving butt. I mean shaving cream.
My name will be Beardo.
My name will be bearded dog.
Okay,
I put my hands in the Christmas tree.
Are you done now?
No.
Hurry up there. It's gonna be like dripping down. Like this is a whole cake, you know? Y'all know.
It looks like you can eat it for real.
I know.
I want to eat
it looks so white, you know?
it. It looks so yummy. Mine looks
Are you
cute.
done yet, please?
I'm done.
Oh, okay. Okay, you tell why you like yours and why you don't like mine, and why you don't like yours and why you don't like mine.
Okay, so I like mine because it's like so like the whipped cream makes it so it's beautiful, and I really like this. And about hers, hers is dripping down, and hers is so bad.
You know, like but okay, I like mine because it's mine, you know? And I like my things. Okay, Ashton, let's do the challenge. You can finish mixing it first. Ready? Set, go. I do not know where to start. Just go like blub. Hey guys, watch this. It's gonna be a whipped cream bubble. It just pours out. That's so cool. I love slime.
And it looks like whipped cream. It looks like you can like actually eat it, like on the hand. It looks like fluffy clouds, and you can actually be on them.
What is that all about? Don't judge me, Kay. You keep on saying that, but don't judge me. Well, this is softer than
I just want to
shell.
throw at something, and then it will be like, yummy.
It's like, imagine if I put this on a cake. They're like,
You make me want to punch somebody's face.
It's called like, when I put this in this bag, it feels like a pellet.
I You're looking so crazy.
I'm a pig now. Look at that. It's so nice. I'm gonna put a heart right. Oh, never mind. I can't do that. I was gonna put a heart because I like hearts. I draw hearts all over school. No, I don't do that actually. You know?
I love you guys.
You sounded like a nerd. Okay, ready?
I love you, Bowie.
This slime is literally magical because when you squish it, it feels like it gets harder. Like, you know, it's not so squishy. But then when you stretch it, it's all.
Oh yeah, my little boom boom do 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 do.
Phrases.
1 second, guys. I'm gonna
Do something real quick.
Okay, guys. Where's this milk?
I'm done. Hey!
I'm trying the first one.
Okay, good. My hair.
I am done.
And I'm not.
I won! Yay! Challenge! So yummy!
Okay, should we do that challenge again? Okay, so I'm going to pour some on yours and you're going to pour some on mine. Okay, first, we'll do yours. Yours is so small compared to mine.
No? No? I put some in.
And actually, bye-bye, guys, because we're going to... We're going to do this without you guys. I'm sorry, but we have to leave you behind. Go find another video.
Okay, guys, let's spray this on your face.
Spray it on my hair like some